Hello everybody, my name is Angela Bresson. I am currently a student at Collège de Maisonneuve in Social Science, and today I will talk to you about a website that can be used to solve a specific field-related problem. As a student, we are often asked to write essays or paragraphs for a class. When we write those paragraphs, we want to make sure that these paragraphs do not contain any types of error, whether it be grammatical or orthograph. The website that I'm going to present to you today is called Antidote. Antidote is a website that combines dictionaries, grammars, and a corrector all together. Let me show you what the website looks like. This is the website. As you can see, when we come directly in the website, the first thing that you can see is on the top left corner, the logo and the name of the website. Then, next to the name of the website, we have all kinds of antidote that we can use in order to correct or even check grammar on our text. Then, on the left side of the screen, we have the store, the codes, the help center, the language we want it to be, so English or French, and the login. Since this is an English class, my website is going to be in English. So English is already selected. Then in the middle of the screen, we can see the slogan or even the kind of, it's the slogan. We can see the slogan in the middle of the screen, which is Antidote, the right cure. This is kind of a joke because the right way to write it would be RIGHT, but they made a mistake to show kind of what the website does. Then next to the slogan, we can see the logo once again, which is the same as here, but in a bigger version. Under this, you can see the main characteristic of this website, which is a corrector, a dictionary, and a guide, which also can be called a grammar. Since I already have the antidote on my computer, I'm not going to buy it because like I said, I already have it on my computer. When you buy the antidote and put it on your computer, it's going to appear in the top right corner of your desktop, which is just here. If I click on it, I can see. Pardon me, I had to sneeze. I can see once again the main characteristic of this website, which is a corrector, a dictionary, and the guide. I have the Antidote 10, which is the version I had to get when the pandemic started and we had to be in the lockdown. So this is the version I have. I don't have the version web because it wasn't good for me. I didn't understand how it worked. But if you prefer the version web, you can use the web version. Now I'm going to show you how to use Antidote. So I'm going to go on a blank page of Microsoft Word and I'm going to write a sentence. Since my antidote is already uploaded in the French version, I can only write in French because I didn't pay for the English version. You can pay to have both English or French, or you can pay to only have English. Since I mostly write in French, I only have one English class and it's only this session. My example is going to be in French. Let's say I want to write about the pandemic. I would write la pandémie nous touche depuis 2020. So this is my sentence. Before sending my sentence to my teacher for him to correct it, I want to make sure that there's no error so I can have the best grade possible. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to launch Antidote. So I'm going to go on the top right corner of my screen once again, and I'm going to press on the little logo. Click on it. And then since I'm looking to correct since I'm looking to correct my sentence, I'm gonna click on correcteur, which means corrector in English. This automatically brings me on the Antidote page. If I had the web version, this would bring me here, which is the website, but I have the app installed in my computer, so it brings me automatically here. Now you can see that every word that is underlined in red means that I have a mistake. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on it, and Antidote is gonna tell me what type of error I have. So here it's an orthograph error. So all I have to do is click correct, which is corriger in French, and boom, automatically goes into change and goes into the right shape of word. And I'm gonna do this for all of my mistakes, but then where we go to touch, which is touche in French, we can see that it's kind of a grammar because it tells me that touch is supposed to be in singular and not plural, since it's the pandemic that is touching us. So what I'm going to do once again is correct, and it's going to put my verb into the right tense. Now that I'm here, all my errors are checked and corrected. All I'm going to do is go back to the text, which is revenir au texte en français. Click on it, and boom, here it is. The sentence is free of all mistake, and it's automatically corrected and right, just like in the Antidote version. I hope this screencast helped you, and I hope that you're going to use Antidote in your future life as a student or even as an employee to have good text and to be more credible or have good grades. Thank you very much.